Hello everyone, I'm going to do another fragrance review this afternoon, and I'm going to review a rather rare fragrance that was issued in 1990 by the Italian fashion house of Missoni. Okay, it is called Molto Missoni, and if my Italian serves me correctly, it means very Missoni. Now, this fashion house, which was founded by a husband and wife team, actually is very well known for their flamboyant fashions, right? And so the box sort of accords with that uh, characteristic of the house, and so does the bottle, which is rather adorable, right? This is the 15 ml size, and it is a pure parfum. As you can see, the bottle looks a little bit like a woman in a heavy red cloak, right? And this is like the head, right, which looks like a little marble. Now let's go to the scent itself. This scent is clearly a fruity floral. It has elements of both fruit as well as flowers, but the fruit stands out a little bit more to my nose, especially the grapefruit aroma. And the other thing that I smell very distinctly is the benzoin, okay, which is also found in a lot of other fragrances. I can't distinguish any other notes, but I know that it's probably jumbled flowers, that probably includes neroli amongst them, but I'm not sure whether it has other things like jasmine or rose, but there are probably quite a few flowers inside. This is a small decant. This fragrance has since been discontinued, uh, and I think it is quite sad to discontinue something that is very uplifting, right? This is a very uplifting scent, and if your spirits are down, just a dab of this will make you feel much happier and more cheerful throughout the day. The drawback, however, is that it doesn't evolve much after application. It pretty much stays the same, or maybe my nose can't detect any evolution, but it pretty much stays the same, right? So it is very hard to find this on eBay. If you look it up, probably you get about 2 or 3 results, and it is usually quite pricey. What I can see on eBay now are the eau de toilette minis, right? So for you get half of this volume, um, and only the EDT concentration, while this is the parfum. I haven't seen any others since I bought this. I bought this by accident, mainly because it was very cheap, right? I believe it was $15 or something, but after I received it, I felt that it was a worthwhile investment because it really is a very uplifting perfume. Right? Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my video.